freaking battery's dying, bro. Oh yeah. Yo, shut up. This car, I want to show you. Lmfaoo. Shout out to Finding Nick. Should this be a build for a channel? Like, I was actually looking at getting one. Flosser. How the fuck you say it? Can you see that shit? Oh, look, you have modified. Is that stock? It's carbon fiber, bro. Car is sick, bro. It's a manual, automatic. Sick ass food. Carbon fiber. So, yes, sir. Guys, we getting rid of the big boxes, bro. So,
Head south on Epinard Court,
hey, look,
then
bitch.
arrive at the destination on your right.
Don't tell me, blue little nigga. Bro, this shit is like, in all honesty, bro, like, this is fun. 8306. Like, this is fun. It's just the fact that the Russian shit. 2, 4. This job is fun, but it's just the amount of work, bro. Like, I like delivering packages. I just wish, like, these were like normal routes. Like, are you done? Oh, these were like normal routes. So I got 200. I don't be trusting them, bro, because sometimes they'll, oh, there you go. Sometimes it'll say like envelope, but it'll be a box. But I wish I had the money to get like a rental car I don't care about. Because, or I would get like one of them vans. But like, yeah, I would get like one of the vans that I had yesterday. Like, it's not too big. Look at these fucking houses, bro. Look at that house. Bro, it was this one house we went to. Like, bro, their guest house was like a regular fucking size house. Like, what the fuck? I think this is where the dude with the BRZ's at. He not home. There you go. Hello. He's back. I think it's an automatic though. If I'm not mistaken. Look at that. See that? That's a manual too. You see? Well, I'm about to deliver. I think it's the house with that Porsche. I forgot what the Porsche was, but it's a Porsche. Yeah, it's a Porsche. I was trying to get this shit the other day. Oh my god, GTS. This nigga funny. Oh my god, GTS. Funny. Nest. I don't know if Nest can hear, but if you can hear, you should bring this to a car meet. Look up Ambitious Whips. Bring it to a car meet. Or bring it to Hunt Valley Cars and Coffee. Porsche is sick, bro. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Porsche. Oh my god. Oh my god, GTS. This nigga funny. Look at this fucking creep. I'm gonna talk in a minute, but I got Jelly Roll playing. If you haven't been listening to Jelly Roll, check him out. He's dope. Yo, I don't know why, but like, this wasn't what I was originally gonna say, but I love like ringing doorbells, bro. I don't know, cause I wasn't recording, well, obviously, but one of the drop-offs had like a ring doorbell. I just love ringing it. Okay, where is it? But yeah, I just love ringing it. I don't know why, but yeah, buddy. Hey, fuck off.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the time sometimes you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.